y equals cosec x plus pi on 4 plus 1. So cosec is just 1 over sine. There's no vertical dilation, there's no horizontal dilation. So the period is the normal 2 pi. There are shifts. There's a horizontal shift, there's also a vertical shift. Be careful, I'm vertically shifting the cosec, not the sine that I'm getting the reciprocal of. So, horizontal shift, pi on 4, which direction? To the left. There's a vertical shift of 1 up. Let's draw up some axes. So, the normal sine graph, normal period, normal sine would go here, up to 1, here, -1, back to 0. But I'm shifting pi on 4 to the left. So it's actually coming up here, it's getting a maximum here, it's going back down here, minimum down here. I'm actually going to rub out my original sine ones because they're confusing me. To the left I'm shifting. Okay, sorry about the smudge. There, there, and it's coming up to here. Okay, that's my sine graph shifted to the left. Let me draw that in with a smooth curve. The graph I want is going to be the reciprocal of this graph. Where this graph is 0, I'm going to have a vertical asymptote. So I've got vertical asymptotes. They're at 3 pi on 4 and 7 pi on 4. So then, it would normally be where the original graph was 1, my cosec graph would also be 1, because it's the reciprocal. But I've shifted it 1 up. So it's actually going to come to here. And that means instead of here, it's actually going to come to there. So instead of here, it would have been here. So my graph then going up towards another asymptote there, I need to find out exactly where it's going to cross this axis. So for the y-intercept, I'm going to get my equation, cosec 0 plus pi on 4 plus 1. Well, that's 1 over sine pi on 4 plus 1. Sine pi on 4 is from our 1, 1 root 2 triangle. That's pi on 4, so its sine is 1 on root 2. 1 over 1 on root 2 plus 1, which is root 2 plus 1. That's approximately 2.42. So that's 2.4 is about here, and the asymptote's over here somewhere. So it's going to come down like this, down to here, over here, and then back up again. It's actually very shallow and then a steep corner, isn't it? This one's coming up here and around to here and back down to there and then back down like this. I didn't quite get that right because at this point it should have been about 2.4. Oh, actually I'm pretty close, not far off. This doesn't look very nice. Oh, I know what I've done wrong. The 0 should have been here, not here, at pi on 4. So it should come down like that not like this, and then back over like that. That would make more sense to me. I'm going to try and hide some of my mistaken graph. Sorry about that. I do need to label some of these points. This one is pi on 4, 2. This one is 3 pi on 4, 4, 5 pi on 4, 0 as the maximum. And this point here, I'm running out of room to actually fit it in, but this point here we said was x coordinate 0, y coordinate was 1 plus root 2.